All clear. Go, go, go. Go, come on, we'll try and beat this thing. Good man. Okay, go. So here, you know, when you're coming into this corner, your whole concentration is you want to go to that cone. Keep going to that cone before you, right, because you want a nice rotation. Over to here, slight lift, rotate, back on. Good.
Okay.
That stops you washing out, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, back on the throttle. Put some lock on, keep that lock on. Watch it, this, so slow down here. Yeah, it's, go past it on the left, good. Okay, over to the cone, off the throttle, just balance it, feel the front grip as well.
Yeah.
Get onto the throttle now, stay wider, use these cones here. Good, feel the front bite if you can.
Yeah.
Gentle on the steering, tuck it in, go. Let it run out. Don't open it unnecessarily, yeah?
Yeah.
Just let it naturally find its own way. Stay wide here. So off the throttle, off the brake, gentle turn, get closer, go. Use the curb if you want, yeah? Good. The more tucked in you are, the quicker you can get on the throttle.
Yeah.
Get that cone on the left nose. Go into the braking zone. Hard on the brakes, good. Bleed off, match the turn. You come off the brakes too much.
Yeah, sorry.
So your bleed off was not enough, yeah?
Yeah. Sorry.
But you could brake deeper, and you got to then match the bleed off with the turn, the rate of turn as well, yeah?
Okay.
Good, so stay wide, give it some, get on the gas, tuck it in, go. So racing, we would follow this line then, all the way, right, down here on the inside line, yeah?
Right, yeah.
Hard on the brake, down the gears, bleed off, nice rotation, good, on throttle, good, off throttle, rotate, go back on, good. Then you've got to watch all this traffic now, so we've got a lot going on here. Go past here, on the right, good, it's all clear, let's go. Go past, what is that, my man? Go past it on the left if you can. Watch him for turning in though, go, he's alright. Yeah, good. Stay left here. Well done, Daniel. Good. So send it in. Balance the throttle. Balance the steering. Wait. Yeah, because you could have tucked it in a bit, yeah?
Yeah, sorry. I wasn't close enough to the cone there, right?
Yeah. You could have tucked it in a little bit.
Yeah.
You were a bit shallow on your approach. Don't brake. Okay. Just roll it in. Get on it. Probably too soon to go in. Go. Good.
Oh, there's a van.
Here it is again. What's going on now? Good. Nice. Good. Go past on the left. Go. Let's go. Good. Off the brake. Balance it. Get it tucked in. Go.
Oh, dearie me.
Not sure what he's doing. I'm just waiting to see if he indicates or doesn't. Did really well there though. He's gone miles wide. Oh wow. Okay, come on, let's buy. Go past him on the right. He'll let us go on the right. Go. Good. So here, you're doing alright, just come off throttle a little bit, balance it nicely, look at the apex, get onto the apex. Give it a bit of throttle, go. Good. Send it in here, maybe a little. Good. You've gone in too soon. You had to stay wider. That's now pushed you wide through here. Go past him on the right. Yeah, you have to try and be late there onto that one, yeah? Otherwise you lose your on exit. Tuck it in, go. Commit, go. Much better. Good, back on throttle. Always think about the exit as well. If you go too fast, you compromise your exit, and you can lose so much time by being too greedy on the entry. Off you go.
Yeah, you end up wide, don't you, on the exit?
And then you've lost all that time on the straight. Because you've been greedy. Nice rotation. Give it some throttle. Back off. Turn. Back on. Good. Tuck it in. Go. Go. Good. Really nice. Over to the right. Good. Okay, now we've got to slow down completely. Don't be true greedy. You went to throttle, before the apex. That then blew your apex. So you've now lost all that time down here. Stay where you are. Don't follow him. I don't know why he's going out there like that. Good man. Get after him. Brake, off the brake, stay wide here, don't go in too soon. Go in, go on throttle. Good. Stay close to the line on the left. Don't follow him. Good. See that? You could basically do this flat normally. Hard on the brake, lead, keep going, rotate. Good. Go, go, go. Balance it nicely, tuck it in, go, stay wide. Easy now. Oh, this is a bit dodgy now.
Sorry.
That's alright. Off you go.
Sorry, it's just that you told me to go, so
I thought, But I thought you might have just snedded it a little bit.
Right.
You did a really good job. Okay, so stay wide, little brake, off the brake, tuck it in, go. Good. Really nice job. And we're in. Well done. Well, that was really good. But the only thing is that being greedy just before the apex, going on throttle, is losing you then all the time down the straight. Because you think, oh, I could go quicker. Don't worry about that. Be patient, compromise that part. Take the medicine there, but you know what I mean? Next lap, fix it.
I do know what you mean. I was trying to balance the throttle, but I wasn't doing it properly. That's what it was.
Yeah, you were giving it proper gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.